सूरज की तरह चमकना चाहते हैं तो सूरज की तरह जलना भी पड़ेगा. तो इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील. इफ़ यू आर विलिंग टू स्पीक ऑन द टॉपिक देन स्पीक. इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू स्पीक इट्स ओके. तो शुरू करें.
Yes, sir.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Shekhar and with me there are so many extraordinary students who are willing to speak on a certain topic. And what topic have we taken? Business versus service. So we have taken a very interesting topic, which is a better occupation, a business or a service. There are many other occupations, but mainly we are trying to differentiate between business and service. So whatever is your opinion, you can share in few words. Okay, you need not to speak very long answers. You have to just speak in couple of sentences. So who wants to initiate? Ajit, please come here and share your opinion.
So, my opinion is job is better for business. I think you have a particular time, 8 to 9 hours, and you work, and after that you get free and you enjoy your life, and you don't have any problems and any.
Okay. So according to Ajit, service is a better option because there is a limited work time.
Yes, sir.
And the rest of the time is yours. You can enjoy your life without any tension, without any worry.
Yes, sir.
So what's your opinion?
My opinion is both service and business both are same time advantage and disadvantage.
Right.
Like business is your business, your boss, your king. मतलब no one is pay this.
Definitely.
And service is your मतलब आपके ऊपर प्रेशर कि आपको ये काम करना है. Otherwise
Okay, so you are the boss of yourself in a business. So no one is going to order you. While in service, there is a boss and you will have to follow the orders. Who else is willing to speak on the topic?
Sir, I will say, sir, कि business is most important your boss, but you will be take a risk and you will be take orders but no time is support in your family.
So what are you supporting basically? First
I'm
tell us.
supporting business.
Okay, you are supporting business. Okay.
Yes, but
So you are saying that there is a risk. Despite the risk, business is a good thing because
Good
you become
thing.
the boss of yourself.
Yes.
Right.
but they want no time in your life and other things you want only take your time in a business.
Right.
Uh,
What are the other advantages of business?
other
She
advantage-
said you are the boss of yourself, and there is no pressure of a person, but there is a pressure of market. Okay, so you may say that I am the boss, but you have to take all the risk in the market. Right.
all these things sir will take responsibility but sir इसका एक डिमेरिट्स भी है कि अगर आप बिजनेस में ही ध्यान दे रहे हो बाकी चीज़ें आपसे छूटती जाएंगी मतलब आप अपने फैमिली को नहीं टाइम दे
Okay,
पाएंगे.
okay. So according to you, a business person does not give proper time to his family. Do you agree with that point? Who wants to contribute here? What would you like to speak?
So my opinion concerning business is very good because you learn many things in business and lot of money in business and
You can make a lot of money or you have to invest a lot of money. What are you saying?
lot invest and profit. You invest 2 rupees and you profit now 4 rupees.
Okay. Is there anyone else who has any opinion? Yes, please.
From my opinion, doing business is good because it is better to be a small owner than to be a big servant.
That's right. She is saying that in a service you will be a servant. Even if you are IAS, IPS officer, you will remain a servant. But in a business, even if you are a small shop, you have a small shop, you are the boss of yourself. What's your opinion?
Sir, sometime business we failed, sometime business are failed, but service are not failed. Service is a permanently job, एंड सर्विस इज़ अ परमानेंटली जॉब एंड सर्विस अपना भी होता है, खुद का अपना भी होता है. ज़रूरी नहीं कि बिजनेस, अपन बिजनेस करने जाते हैं मार्केटों में तो दूसरों के बलबूते पे करना पड़ता है कि उसका सामान इधर से अरेंज करा इधर से करा, तो उसमें बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं लगता. बट सर्विस अपने अंडर में रहता है. जैसे IAS बन गए तो अपन के अंडर में सब कुछ रहता है कि कहाँ क्या होना चाहिए. तो माई ओपिनियन सर्विस इज़ अ गुड.
Service is better. According to her, there are so many jobs in which you don't have to take order in such a way that you need to have pressure on yourself. So like an IAS officer. So he may take order from somewhere, but he is the owner of the whole district.